Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to get notified with a vibration every time someone likes your comment on Instagram, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on vibration for comment likes on Instagram, so you never miss a notification again. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the main settings app. This is where you control all the important features and permissions for your apps. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows you a list of all the apps installed on your device. Find and select Instagram from the list. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate Instagram. Once you're inside the Instagram settings, tap on Notifications. Here, you control how Instagram sends you alerts, whether it's through sound, banners, or vibration. Now, look for the option called Notification Categories. This is where you can fine-tune exactly which types of notifications you want to receive and how you want to receive them. Scroll through the categories until you find comment likes. Tap on it to open the settings for this specific type of notification. Here's the important part. You'll see a toggle switch labeled Vibrate. Tap the switch to turn it on. When it's enabled, your phone will vibrate every time someone likes your comment on Instagram. That's it. You've just set up vibration alerts for comment likes. This is a great way to stay engaged and respond quickly when people interact with your posts. If you ever want to turn off vibration, just follow these steps again and toggle the switch off. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your favorite social media apps. See you in the next video.